Hello students, how are you all? In a previous class, we have studied about the weather. What do you mean by weather? Can you recall it? The day-to-day condition of the atmosphere at a place with respect to the temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed, etc. is called the weather at that place. Dear students, meteorologists record the weather every day. The records of the weather have been preserved for the past several decades. These help us to determine the weather pattern at a place. If we find that the temperature at a place is high most of the time, then we say that the climate of that place is hot. If there is also heavy rainfall on most of the days in the same place, then we can say that the climate of that place is hot and wet. Therefore, dear students, what do you mean by climate? The average weather pattern taken over a long time, say 25 years, is called the climate of the place. By comparison of the data, we can see that Kerala is very hot and wet in comparison to Jammu and Kashmir, which has a moderately hot and wet climate for a part of the year. Similar data for the western region of India, for example Rajasthan, will show that the temperature is high during most part of the year, but during winter, which lasts only for a few months, the temperature is quite low. This region receives very little rainfall. This is the typical desert climate. It is hot and dry. The northeastern India receives rain for a major part of the year. Therefore, we can say that the climate of the northeast is wet. Dear students, now let us study about climate and adaptation. Climate has a profound effect on all living organisms. Animals are adapted to survive in the conditions in which they live. Animals living in very cold and hot climate must possess special features to protect themselves against the extreme cold or heat, isn't it? Features and habits that help animals to adapt to their surroundings are a result of the process of evolution. In the chapter Soil, you will learn about the effect of weather and climate on soil. In class 6th, you have studied about adaptations of animals to certain habitats. As examples of adaptation, animals to climatic conditions, we discuss only animals living in polar regions and tropical rainforests. As the name suggests, the polar regions are situated near the poles, that is, North Pole and South Pole. Some well known countries that belong to the polar regions are Canada, Greenland, Iceland, Norway, Sweden, Finland, Alaska in USA, and Siberian region of Russia. Examples of some countries where the tropical rainforests are found are India, Malaysia, Indonesia, Brazil, Republic of Congo, Kenya, Uganda, and Nigeria. So, dear students, we shall study detailed about the adaptation in the next class. Till then, stay safe, stay home, bye.